So good afternoon everyone, and to you Captain Philip. So in this video we are going to discuss how we got our answer based on the given scenario. So the scenario is a vessel from latitude 35 degrees and 27 minutes north, longitude 139 degrees and 39 minutes east, sail to latitude 37 degrees and 48 minutes north, longitude 122 degrees and 20 minutes west. So the first thing we need to do is to solve for DLAT, or the difference of latitude. So we have our given here: latitude 1 35 degrees and 27 minutes north, and latitude 2 37 degrees and 48 minutes north. So since these two have the same name, therefore we do subtraction. So 37 degrees and 48 minutes north minus 35 degrees and 27 minutes north. There we got the difference of 2 degrees and 21 minutes north. And then we proceed to the DLO, or the difference of longitude. So our given here is longitude 1 139 degrees and 39 minutes east, longitude 2 122 degrees and 20 minutes west. So since our given here have different names, then we add these two. So 139 degrees and 39 minutes plus 122 degrees and 20 minutes. There we got 261 degrees and 59 minutes. So since this number is over 180, therefore we subtract this to 360 degrees. So 360 minus 261 degrees and 59 minutes, we got the answer of 98 degrees and 1 minute. So let's proceed to the GCD, or the great circle distance. So we have a formula here: cosine difference of latitude times cosine latitude 1 times cosine latitude 2 plus minus sine latitude 1 and times sine latitude 2. So cosine difference of latitude, we have 98 degrees and 1 minute, times cosine latitude 1, we have 35 degrees and 27 minutes, times cosine latitude 2, we have 37 degrees and 48 minutes, plus sine 35 degrees and 27 minutes are latitude 1, multiplied by sine L2, or latitude 2, 37 degrees and 48 minutes. So by the way, we use plus because we have the same name in the latitude. So from here, we'll be needing our scientific calculator to do the work. So we'll input all this value until we got the number 0.26224. Since this is decimal, we have to convert this into degree. So in degree form, we got 74 degrees, 35.4 minutes. And from here, we convert this into nautical miles. So we got 4,475.42 nautical miles. So that's our great circle distance.
Hi, good afternoon. I am Cadet Borok, and my topic is about how to solve the initial angle and initial true. So first is this is the formula: cosine initial angle equals sine latitude 2 minus cosine great circle distance times sine latitude 1 divided by sine great circle distance times cosine latitude 1. Then we put the value of sine latitude 2, which is 37 degrees 48 minutes. Then the next is we input the value of cosine great circle, which is cosine 74 degrees 35 0.4 minutes times, again, put the value of the latitude 1, which is 35 degrees 27 minutes, then divide, and again input the value of the sine GCD. Distance is the value 74 degrees 35.4 minutes times the cosine latitude 1, and the value of that is 35 degrees 27 minutes. And then after that, we divide it. So the value of sine first above it, which is sine 37 degrees 48 minutes minus the cosine 74 degrees 35.4 minutes times sine 35 degrees 27 minutes. So the value of that is 0.458788963, and the value of sine 74 35.4 minutes times cosine 35 degrees 27 minutes, the value of that is 0.785335 to 526. After that, the value of that number, you divide that, and the answer of that is 0.584194,841. And then after that, the next step you do is you must shift cosine, and you get the initial course angle, which is the initial angle is 54.25 minutes, and the initial course through is 0.54 degrees 25 minutes. That's all.
Good day, my name is Willie Gonzalo Oliver Joshua, and today I will teach you how to find final course angle and through. So as you can see to our solution, we are using the alternative formula. So cosine final course angle equals sine latitude 1 minus the cosine GCD times the sine latitude 2 over the sine GCD times the cosine latitude 2. So the sine latitude 1 is 35 degrees and 27 minutes minus the cosine GCD is 74 degrees and 35 minutes times the sine latitude 2 is 37 degrees and 48 minutes over the sine GCD 74 degrees and 35 minutes times the cosine latitude 2 37 degrees and 48 minutes. So the first that you do is multiply the cosine GCD 74 degrees and 35 minutes times the sine latitude 2 37 degrees and 48 minutes. After that, you divide also the sine GCD 74 degrees and 35 minutes times the cosine latitude 2 37 degrees and 48 minutes. After you multiply all the cosine and sine, you will subtract it to the sine latitude 1, which is 35 degrees and 27 minutes. So the answer of the final course angle is equals S 56.80 degrees east, and the final course through is equals 123.20 degrees through. Thank you.